Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you corned beef and rice. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. The ingredients are listed for you on your left. Okay, let's begin. I'm beginning with the herbs. I'm just adding them to this pot. This pot has 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm just going to allow them to go for about 30 seconds or so, just so that they can get soft. Next is the thyme. Okay, so I'm just pulling off the leaves and I'm just going to add a bit of the stems as well. All of that goodness goes right in. Give that a good mixing. Next is the tomato paste. All right. Coat everything with that in the pot. Tomato paste. Red pepper flakes. Now you can always substitute this with black pepper or any other pepper, as well as this garlic salt. Now with the garlic salt, you just add a little bit just to season what's in the pot. For now, browning is here. That's to enhance the flavor as well as the color. That should do it. Get all of that mixed up together. So that's the herbs, browning, tomato paste, thyme, red pepper flakes, and the garlic salt. And of course, the stove is on medium. All right. Here is the star, corned beef. Oh, for God's sake, please pray that I get this can open today. Every time I try to open up a tin of corned beef, I make a mess. Oh my word. Starting off so well. Okay, nice and slow, steady. Just like that. You're getting it, girl. Next turn. Okay. I can see home. Okay. Yes, I did it. It's opened. That's the corned beef. Yes. Now I'm just breaking this apart. And I'm going to add a few drops of this lime. The lime juice. Just a few drops. Okay, I just love to add a little bit of citrus to my beef. Get all of that combined together. Before adding the rice. This is how I do it. This is how I was taught, so I'm sharing it with you today. Let that go for about a minute or so while I rinse the rice. Now I'm using Mahatma parboil, but it is still long grain. My husband doesn't really like the regular rice, so he loves parboil. So I have time, so I'm rinsing it today. Okay. This container holds 2 cups. So that's 2 cups. I'm only making 3 cups today. And I'm going to half this. So that's 3 cups. Give this a good rinse. Okay. Just like that. Back and forth. Now I'm going to add the wet rice to the pot. Wake this up first. Okay, Mix all of this together. Let's get every grain coated with all of that goodness. Oh my, it smells wonderful. This is corned beef and rice. This is also my daughter's favorite. She doesn't really like peas, so I remember how to do this. My mom taught me. Now I'm sharing it with you. Corned beef and rice. Kids really don't like peas and beans, so you gotta work it. Now I'm adding 4 cups of water to this 3 cups of rice. Okay, this container holds 6 cups. So I just added about 4 cups to this. Now you don't want to go overboard with the water, because you're gonna have sticky rice, and you don't want that. You want the rice to be firm, single grains, just coated with the corned beef and the goodness seasoning. Corned beef and rice. You don't want them hugging each other. This is not white rice. Let's go. Let it go. Now I've just added 4 cups of water. So now I have to start all over again with the seasonings. Even though it is corned beef, you still have to add a little bit of salt. Now I'm using garlic salt. If you don't like the garlic salt, feel free to use the table salt or any other salt that you have. This is your dish. Make it your own. There's nothing wrong with altering it. This is your dish. Let's go. Feel free to change it up. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's go. Hit it. Get all of that goodness mixed up together. Test it out. Just a little bit more. That should do it. Then I'm going to cover this down and let it go. Do not stir it until all of the water has dried out, evaporated out of the rice. Now it's ready. Now I can stir it. There you have it. That's what I'm talking about. Now after turning this over, I'm just going to reduce the heat and allow it to go for an additional 5 minutes or so before serving. And of course, I'm going to be serving this with some baked oxtail and nice leafy green vegetables, everything salad. It's a great salad. Don't add anything else to this now. Just reduce the heat and cover it down. All the leaves in this salad that I'm going to prepare. You would love that also. This is corned beef and rice. Try some. Your kids will love it. Your husband will love it. Your friends will love it. Trust me. All of that beef. All of that beef is okay. That's a signal. That's the signal. I am pleased. All of that beef is mixed up all through this rice. Beef. This is corned beef and rice. Cover it back down and reduce the heat. It's on low. Let it go for about 5 minutes or so. Like I said, my baked oxtail is still in the oven, 350. That's the ingredients there for the salad. all of that goodness. Look at it. Nice and healthy. We're going to be having this with some Hidden Valley ranch dressing. Oh my word. Parsley flakes. I'm just garnishing it a little bit. This is what I am talking about. I love salads. Look at it. Little strips of purple cabbage, white cabbage, carrots, all of the others. This is gonna be something. I'm just using this wet, damp paper towel to cover it down, and I'm gonna stick it back into the refrigerator until it's time to serve, just to keep everything crisp and fresh. There you have it. That's the rice. Corned beef and rice. Look at it. There you have it. Thank you very much. That's the entire meal right there. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.